Well, the plant's a very intricate piece of kit. It was designed based on obviously the price of landfill tax going up and up and up. We obviously needed to look at ways of what we can do with general waste. The first initial thoughts were, can we make waste into a product? We came across a company called UNTHA, a family business from Austria. We looked at their technologies, looked at the equipment. The two shredders they got on offer at the time looked like they could do the job we were looking for. So we put them in. We had the XR shredder, which shreds the waste down to 150 mil.
This is an UNTHA pre-shredder. The object of this machine is to prepare the material so that we get a reasonably homogeneous size so that the rest of the kit can do its job.
The XR pre-shredder is an excellent piece of machinery. We'd heard good reports about it within the industry, but again, when we saw it in the flesh, as it were, it is an impressive piece of kit.
The waste then goes into the TR shredder, which has got the 30 mil shred in it. That shreds all the material down to 30 mil, completely metal free, which gives us an excellent product to move on and sell into the cement industry. And it has done its job. It's fantastic.
Our main interest is in the back end fine shredding. Very, very, very impressed indeed. I think the access to the machine, the ergonomics, the shape of the machine, the fact that it's a single drive, the shear belts on the doors, the quick turnover of the actual blades. It all puts together, a machine that you would have some confidence that it would give you the maximum number of operational hours, minimum downtime, and a good quality throughput and quality output of material.
So this system allows Rod or anyone else who's got our equipment to do a full cutter change. That's your mains and your statics in around about 2 hours time. Rather than having to wait for a Saturday to do a cutter change, they're able to do it at the end of a shift.
Availability's been excellent with the machine. It's the first shredder we've had with a different diamond cut blades in it, which really does get through the waste. The TR shredder we haven't had any problems with at all, and it's the first time we've actually had both shredders connected together electronically, where if there is any issue whatsoever, we can dial in straight into Austria, who can then tell us where the problem is, what to look for, and exactly how to change it.
What we're looking for is to give you a plant that, yeah, we know we're going to have stops, but we want to make those stops as small as possible.
We look at not just the capital cost, but obviously the whole life cost of something like that, and the ability to maintain the equipment and maximise the throughput of materials. It's sort of matched the words that have been spoken previously about it, but it's good to see it actually on-site working.
When you're pricing waste and you're dealing in the waste industry, everything's about throughput. Any waste man will tell you it's all about throughput. With this machine we get an excellent throughput. There's no doubt about it. It's the best as we've seen on the market.
In the UK there's a real need to find alternative energy sources and also try and promote sustainable development and diversion from landfill. So it's really promising to see companies like UNTHA providing the tools and the kit and the machinery that will facilitate that step change between landfill through to providing a useful energy feedstock.
In terms of a zero waste approach, we just have to get that into a manageable, clear and consistent fuel, and we think that the UNTHA equipment may well form part of that. It's high quality, it's clearly designed for efficient processes and consistency of application.
We look at this plant as not treating waste, but more manufacturing fuel. With the aid of the excellent shredding machinery and the UNTHA technology, we think we're well placed in the marketplace as a fuel manufacturer.
With UNTHA we found there was an excellent backup service. There was a backup service in the UK which we thought was excellent. The company in general and the family business, we're a family business, we found them excellent to deal with, and on that side that was the main focus really why we bought the shredders.
It's been really fantastic being here at this UNTHA Open Day. It's really interesting as a journalist to see an SRF production plant in operation. In the UK there aren't that many of them, there's a handful of RDF plants, but it's something that's really important to our future, not just from our point of view of dealing with our waste, but from our energy needs as well. So here at Browns in Stoke-on-Trent, it's fantastic to see a fully operational plant that is actually doing the job it's supposed to do.